Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add subtask in Asana. So this is very simple. Just open your project. So I will open my tutorial project and go right here to some task. So I will open this task, and then in order to add a subtask to this current task, I will have to go down and click on Add Subtask. Now I can write the name of the subtasks and then simply press away and the subtask is successfully added. You can open it by clicking on it. You can even add a subtask to a subtask, so it is really this complex. So do whatever you want and add how many you want. It is absolutely crazy. To navigate backwards in this subtask, you can select this menu to go back to the first subtask and back to the original task if you want. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.